This creamy vanilla ice cream is made from plastic waste. Guilty Flavors is the world's first food made from plastic waste, according to developer Eleonora Ortolani. Ortolani started the project due to her frustration at how terrible the world's plastic recycling system is and the increase in plastic production. While the ice cream isn't edible yet, Ortolani is using it as a sort of art installation to spark conversation about the future of food and the issue of plastic pollution.
The bacteria that I'm using in this process are basically engineered to break down the plastic and then transform it into vanillin, which is the molecule responsible for the vanilla flavor.
Ortolani stresses that her ice cream isn't currently available for human consumption.
I've even had members of the public email me saying it's irresponsible to encourage people to eat plastic. And I think it's this thing that there's this perhaps misconception around what it actually is by the end of the process, that it is no longer plastic. But I think as part of that, it is really important that we take the safety side of it really, really seriously, and we make it very clear that this has to go through exactly the same regulatory processes and food standard processes as any other food ingredient. And only once it's been through all of those would it go anywhere near any kind of consumer product.
Now, if this ever gets approved for consumption, will you give it a try? Let us know in the comments below.